Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this color selector filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator. Christopher is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery and this is the filter, color selector. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. Okay, by default it's black. Okay, let me turn the camera. Okay, so I have a rainbow here. Let's make the picture big. Okay, now we have selected black. Now let's select red. Okay, there's red in the rainbow, then yellow, yep, then green, I don't know, like the trees are green but I can't see it here, but anyway there's green here, then blue, dark blue and pink. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.